Hello everyone, this is my introductory video for the Data Analysis and Assessment class. My name is Teresita Reyes, and I live in Dodge City, Kansas, but I'm originally from Mexico. It's a small town called Chapala, and it's close to Guadalajara. If you know a little bit of Mexico, Guadalajara is one of the biggest cities, and Chapala has the biggest lake in Mexico. So if you ever have a chance to visit, keep it in mind. I live here in Dodge with my husband Sergio and my two daughters, Victoria and Valeria. Victoria is at KU, it's her second year at KU, and Valeria is a 7th grader at Dodge City Middle School. I also work at Dodge City Middle School, and I've been working for the district since 2009. In my work environment, well, I used to teach English as a second language in Mexico. I did that for several years, and when I moved here to Dodge City, I saw that there was a need for ESL teachers, so I decided to go back to school. I earned my teaching diploma and I started teaching. While I was doing that, I was working as a paraprofessional here in the district, and I worked with the newcomer program. And it was very rewarding to see all these kids come here to the country without knowing any English and then becoming successful. So I'm really glad that I get to do this and help them. I really love my job. I studied in Mexico. I did my high school and a lot of short courses for different things while I was trying to decide what I wanted to do. During all this time, I was still teaching ESL. And then when I moved here, I went to Newman University to get my teaching diploma, and I graduated in 2012. I did my ESOL endorsement in 2014, and I started teaching newcomers. Right now, I decided to come back and get my master's in ESOL because I really want to continue helping these kids. And there's a really big need here in Dodge City. So I'm planning to graduate in spring 2021. For this course, what I want to do is learn more about data analysis. Since my district uses a lot of data, we are constantly analyzing data, so I really want to do that better and know more about what to look for. And here in the district, we have all sorts of data collecting, like for assessments, for population. And all of that information helps us serve better our students. Sometimes it's very overwhelming, and you might think that it's not really worth the time that you spend doing it, but once you see the results, you can decide, you can see by yourself that it's very useful. For myself, speaking for myself, at the beginning when I started teaching, I really thought that analyzing data was a waste of time. But over the time and how we use that data and learning how to use it and the benefits of having it, I really have changed my mind, and now I use it constantly, especially with my newcomers, since I have to plan almost individually for each student. So I really need to know where they're at, what are their needs, how they are progressing, where they have flaws. So all of these assessments and data collecting and data analyzing really helps me plan better for them. With this class, I'm hoping to improve my current knowledge of data and data analysis. I would like to have a better understanding of what the data I need to look for and what is the best way to obtain it and organizing it so I can benefit even more from that data. Well, I hope to meet everybody and see you around. Thank you.